My name is Conor Murphy. I'm a lecturer in film and a part-time film producer, and I'm driving the digitisation project for Film Ireland magazine. Well, this evening is what we're calling episode 2 of the Film Ireland exhibition series. Last year we exhibited the first 50 from 87 until about 1996. This year we've exhibited the first 100, going up as far as 2004. And next year, the third iteration, if you like, episode 3, we're going to exhibit 147, all 147 covers, but we're also going to have digitized the entire back catalogue. So we're hoping to do that next year in conjunction with the Dublin International Film Festival. And the plan is to have the exhibition in the Lighthouse Cinema during the DIF, during the Dublin Film Festival for next year. Film Ireland began back in 1986 as a fanzine, completely irregular, samizdat, photocopied, stapled, sent to people by return of post. And after about 30 issues of film-based news, as it was called then, they incorporated it properly and began to call it Film Ireland. And at that stage it started to be recognised around the world, particularly at the National Library in Ireland, but also the British Library, and it's on the files ever since, from about issue number 30 onwards. When Filmbase went into liquidation, sadly, about 7 years ago, the entire back catalogue, physical print back catalogue, from 1987 until 2014, was about to be destroyed. And we rescued it at DBS, found a home for it, put it in a bunch of boxes in the library, and left it there for a few years. Since then, we've gone back to it with a plan, and the plan is very, very simple. We need to digitize it all. It's about 12,000 pages. We think about 10 million words. We want to digitize it, upload it onto the web, and have it available free to air, open access under a Creative Commons agreement for anybody, anywhere in the world, with access to the particular URL. So we don't want it behind a paywall. We don't want it to be a subscription. We want it to be a resource for film students, film scholars, academics, journalists, whoever is interested in Irish film.